The UAE Minister of Economy, His Excellency Sultan bin Saeed Al Mansouri, has emphasized that the long-standing economic relations with Italy are growing fast as the two countries are working to open new avenues in which to boost the cooperation, reciprocal investments and trade. The comments came during a business forum organized in the Mash region of Italy on Sunday under the theme Our Vision, Our Future, from Milano Expo 2015 to Dubai Expo 2020. Figures of trade between the two friendly countries continue to grow, and Italy has today become the UAE's second largest trade partner in Europe, with His Excellency Al Mansouri stating that non-oil trade between the two countries in 2013 stood at $6.05 billion. Recently, a number of memorandums of understanding was signed by the two major countries on major sectors and also on cultural, arts and media cooperation. The minister also noted that more than 200 Italian companies are operating in UAE, which became the top destination in the MENA region for foreign direct investments, thanks to favorable investment legislation, tax exemptions and easy money transfer. Dubai is set to get 9 new beaches as developer Nakheel redevelops the Deira coastline. The Palm Island developer, in a tender advertisement, stated that it is seeking contractors to carry out coastal improvements that will also include new breakwaters and quay walls and some land reclamation. The works form part of the revamped Palm Deira project, originally designed to be the largest of 3 palm-shaped islands to be developed from reclaimed sand along the Dubai coast. The new project, called Deira Islands, is expected to include resorts, apartments and shops across 4 linked islands, with Nakheel stating that the development would add 40 kilometers to Dubai's coastline, more than half of that in the form of beachfront. Bids for the design and build contracts are due August 14. The euro shed 0.75% in trading last week against the US dollar, to turn in its worst weekly performance in a month against the greenback. The euro has been weighed down by dovish sentiment emanating from the European Central Bank, who 2 weeks ago left the door open to further, more aggressive asset purchase programs in the future, off the back of ECB President Mario Draghi introducing a combination of mini LTROs, which many saw as a cue that further monetary easing could be introduced as early as next week for the euro area. To talk more about this and a host of key economic releases due out this week, we earlier spoke to Gaurav Kashyap, the head of futures at Al Pari Middle East.
Well, the US dollar is opened the week on a mixed note, and we can expect more range-bound trading in the week ahead in the lead-up to the all-important FOMC rate decision, which is due out on Wednesday. Now, of course, we're expecting the Federal Reserve to announce a further $10 billion cut to their asset purchases, dropping it down to $35 billion. We're not expecting to see any changes in the interest rates. Those are expected to remain unchanged at 0.25%. Of course, we will be seeing the FOMC's forward projections with regards to GDP and how they foresee growth rates through 2014 and through 2015. We could expect to probably see some downgrades in the overall GDP forecasts coming up. But overall, we're not expecting anything to spook markets as the markets are largely pricing in that $10 billion cut to the asset purchase program. Overall, we're expecting to see the euro continue to move weaker against the US dollar. We're expecting to probably see a test of maybe 134.50 to 135 channel in the week ahead. We do have some inflationary data coming out from the US that's expected to remain unchanged at 2%. We're expecting the inflation rate in the UK to come in at 1.7%. So if these numbers come in line with expectations, we can expect to see some further upsides in the gold price. We're targeting $12.94 on the upside. This will be followed by $13.08 per troy ounce in gold. Overall, we're also watching for further downsides in the INR against the US dollar. The INR against the US dollar on DGCX broke through the 10-week moving average at 166.60. That is 60 in the spot market for USD INR. We're expecting some more downsides to maybe 164.50 levels on DGCX. That equates to 60.80 in the spot markets. Overall, the US dollar will remain mixed in the week ahead, looking to make gains against the euro, but should probably give up some ground against the precious metals, particularly gold, in the week ahead.